So guys, we are strolling here in is this downtown? Jasper. So we passed by at the church over there that got burned down during the fire. No Dollarama.
No Dollarama. Yeah,
May
when
lugar
Google
medyo
Dollarama, I didn't see
Spare
that.
na lugar, but not all. Some part is burned. I think that one is got affected, got burnt down. This is under construction. That one. What, of walk? Of walk or drive? Strolling. There's candy there. Where's the Tim Hortons is just there. Huh? See, that must be affected with the huh? What? We just stopped by here inside Tim Hortons Jasper. And then we had some cookie, Oreo cookie, and they loved it. Tim Hortons.
Extra large tip please.
Balik na po ni kay magdumi sa A&W. Dad, ang kuan daw ang kanang pharmacy daw na ang kanang kuan, dish liquid ng pharmacy. Ingon tong kanang nasa kay Circle K. Dito di ay.
I ate it a lot though. I ate it to half. Balik ako sa kabugber. Para may makatog.
Bel, pili di ay. Pili di ay.
Kasi ito Pilipino yung masarap.
Oh, aning Circle K. Ikaw na may dish liquid. Wala. Itong Circle K, ito gisudlan na to. Namo ba? Wala. Matana ko. Tabok sa ta. Hurry up guys. Let's go. Let's go across the street. Balik na pud mi ari lakaw. Muni ilahang gamay kanang town. Unya kuan nasunog. Tura adto ayun yung nasunog na mount. Nasunog. Ha? Yeah, okay. Nasunog po yung mountain na yan. Ayan. Let's wait here for Daddy because we're gonna go.
You wait over here.
Because we're gonna go to NW. Daddy's gonna grab the coupon.
Ay, magdali ka. Later na lang.
So, ayun yung mountain na nasunog. Tapos some of the area here nasunog. So, lucky enough that this area, specific, this street is not affected so much. Only like a few actually. So, yun.
Oh, ice cut. Ice cut. Oh, I like it. Girl, can I just put my...
So some business, a lot of business here is actually back in its on its business. So see that behind me, that red fence. There's actually, looks like there's a structure there that it's burnt down. So they're actually fixing it. So behind me is their courthouse. Provincial building, that one.
There's that.
Okay, that is here. So we're gonna go to A&W. See that? Oh, this is the gas station, right? This is the gas station that burnt down. That one.
Yeah.
That exploded. Oh, this is the one that we parked one time, Daddy.
Ha?
Di ba mauni?
Ano?
Yeah. Okay. That's it for now, guys.